What's going on, guys? So today we are today we're
Nick's
This is what we were filming.
we're gonna make Nick's car even better with all this shit.
All this shit.
We got a fuel rail, fuel pump, fuel injectors, the distributor cap, the spark plug
Vacuum blocks.
wires, wherever they are.
They're here. New rotor, new blaster, new spark plugs.
Yeah, we're going
There's a whole bunch of
fucking.
stuff.
It's gonna run a lot better.
Eating,
Then he's gonna tune it after. Yeah, you gotta do that. But yeah, everything's red, even the fuel rail's red, and it's gonna look sick in there. Yeah, we're gonna get started.
Oh shit.
Y'all, so we took the distributor cap off and the rotor.
New
Rotors on, new distributor caps on.
Next
Next we just gotta do the wires. I put the spark plugs in. They're all in there. And then next will be
if you want to be warm,
the fuel rail vacuum block,
yeah.
fuel injectors, fuel pump. Rotor cap, distributors on. It's looking nice and colorful. Good shit.
Yeah. I talk now.
We got the frickin' jet heater going in here, and it's sunny as hell outside. Finally, Ohio. For once. It was kind of on, not really at all yet, but we're put on the injector. These are so much fucking bigger than the other ones. They're fat. The ends are huge. Alright, we're back. Nick got on the fuel rail. He's pretty much doing everything because he's a boss. But they were kind of a bitch to get in those little slots.
Big bitch.
But it looks damn good. We're in the back right now, in the back seat, taking out his fuel pump assembly. And, well, there's like a dead steam bug right there. Kind of gross. Hey, what's up, guys? We got all these bolts off now and stuff. So we're just bringing up the fuel pump now. Fuel. All this shit. Fuck the Raven.
Can I use that screwdriver? Can I borrow it? Thank you.
Alright. Yeah, we got it off, and now we just gotta throw the old one on and put it back in. It's actually a lot quicker than I thought. I have gas all over myself. Do you have gas all over yourself?
Yes.
Thanks for your hand.
What do I got?
Yeah. Your
I'm
progress.
working on the fuel pressure regulator next.
Going on, guys. So I'm literally just mirroring what's happening with this one. Like, this one came with 2 bags. Like, this one, like, stubbier, fatter one, and this one looks identical almost. So I just put on this one and put that on with this locking washer thing, if it would focus. Put that on there, and then I gotta put this rubber boot on over it. And then it gave me all of these, like, extras for like this, but I don't think we're gonna do that, because yeah. And it also gave me an extra hose thing for this, which I think, I mean, this one's not bad, but this one's a lot stronger. But I don't know. So far, so good. That's how the fuel pump looks on the assembly. Everything's all good, all nice. So yeah, we're gonna throw it in the car real quick. Nick is. Are you still drilling the holes for the? Or no? Oh, right. You're throwing on the blaster.
I'm about to drill the hole for the blaster.
There's a vacuum block. Alright, I'm gonna do that real quick. So the fuel pump's back in. We're just putting all the lines back on and all that stuff. And I just gotta put this last fucking thing on. And when that's in, we're good. That's it. Nick's raging over here in front of the car. And this actually kind of went breezy for us. Fuel pump is done. What are you doing over here, Nick?
Yeah, I'm working on the vacuum block. We kind of had a small issue. Sorry, Nate.
What?
It's kinking up this vacuum cable here.
Seriously?
Bad?
Not like terrible, but not necessarily good.
Oh, that kinked.
Can't get the motherfucker on all the radiator.
Looks fucking pretty, dude. Looks pretty in this. In here. Red. 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 Fucking red.
What you found
It's
Why?
looking good.
Yeah.
I do.
Good.
Those from the wastegate and the blow off.
How long do you think till we start this bitch?
A couple minutes here.
Alright, y'all, so,
I think so.
we're hooking out the vacuum box.
Yes.
Pretty much done now. So much fucking red.
Definitely not.
And a little bit of blue.
What about blue?
Wait,
One blue.
no.
It's yellow, pink, green.
Alright, that doesn't count, dude.
No.
Just spray.
Wait.
Very.
Why don't you just get out of here anyway? Why are you here?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Fuck you. Yeah, because Whitetown Gearheads sucks.
One last fucking
Because
thing.
Dylan's not in it anymore.
Damn, I'm leaving that in.
Oh.
Damn, I'm leaving that in.
You done now?
We're done.
Almost.
No, we're
What
done.
is the last thing you need to do?
I was gonna just put hose clamps on this.
Dude, come on. No, I'm kidding. You don't need clamps
So you
anyway.
don't have to have the T thing anymore because of that.
My exhaust, not one clamp.
That red
Feel
thing.
that.
Nothing at all.
No welds, no nothing. Not even
Should I try to
hangers.
start it?
Whoa! Dude, what did I do?
Click the button.
What?
You're smart, babe. I can't-
Dude, this light's fucking awesome, guys. Check it out. Check it out. Wait.
Cold?
Seizure. Fucking seizure.
Hey, guess what?
Seizure?
Okay.
What?
Whoops. Alright.
Alright.
What do we gotta do?
Guys, look, I'm
Nothing?
pregnant.
Are we gonna try to start it now?
Guys, look.
Is that blinding?
I have a hot
Yes.
baby. Nobody's looking.
Yeah.
You know, see?
Oh, I see it.
Whoa, Sarah! That's how she actually looks. I'm never gonna record you again.
Hey,
Jeez.
I guess we're gonna try it.
Dude, start it up.
Go in there and turn the key on.
You just hear
See if
the.
it feel pump
I'm
right.
doing
Let's
it
see.
bad.
Let's listen for.
No.
Let's listen for it.
Stomach, my baby feels
And I want to
weird
see if
getting
anything's
warm.
leaking.
This will be if. This will be. Goes to show if me and Nate's work fucked up or not. Alright, let's listen. Yup.
Stop!
I'm not doing it.
There's fuel just fucking squirting out of the motherfucker.
Where?
Squirting out of what?
Alright, put it in neutral. I gotta push this bitch back. Because it's just fucking dumping. Push, dude, push. Stop right there, stop.
Where at?
I don't know. It's coming out of the fucking fuel rail.
Oh shit.
Coming out of the fucking fuel rail. Alright.
Was there supposed to be a seal there?
There is a seal there, but I fucking tore it apparently.
We thought we were finished.
How many guys does it take to put up a garage door?
Alright, let down, let down. God fucking
I don't think any fuel's leaking back there.
Pussy.
I'm gonna see if there's any fuel leaking.
Because I'm a girl.
Yeah.